Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to change delivery address on FedEx. It's really easy and you can do it in just few steps. For that, watch the video till the end. So now without further ado, let's get started. First, open a search engine. I am using Google. You can use any search engine that you like. Search for fedex.com. It will lead you right to the FedEx official page. Here you can see we are on FedEx homepage. Make sure you have logged in into your FedEx account. Click to your profile on the top right of the page, right next to the search button. Then go to My Profile. Wait for few seconds. Now you have been directed to My Profile page. After that, tap on Contact Information from the Overview section, which is right on the left part of the screen. You can see here the current shipping address. To change it, simply click on Edit on the middle right of the screen. Then type in your new address that you want the package to be shipped. Lastly, click the Save Changes button at the end. Here you have it. Now your package will be successfully delivered in the newly changed address. So this is it for the video. I hope this was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.